Ravi, you could theoretically move this into what? I mean, you're talking about what? You tell me. What other areas are we talking about with the Wheels Up brand that would work globally?
Look, with my 20 years at LVMH and about a dozen years doing private equity, I've seen the best brands are built which go beyond the functional utility and create an emotional bond with customers and create a trusted community of customers. At Wheels Up, that's exactly what is at play. And also, I've seen whenever a good category combines with good company and a great leadership team, that alchemy always produces successful outcome. Now, here we have an addressable market, large and growing. 90% of the people who can afford to fly have not flown private jet. 95% of the planes are sitting idle. Just using next-gen technology to connect them itself is a great play that company is bringing in. We, having worked with LVMH, I've seen the overlap between luxury brands and private jet customers is almost complete, be it from fashion, be it from beauty, be it from jewelry, be it from champagne. I think we can bring that experience and that connect to the benefit of Wheels Up to create into a world-class brand. Moreover, I and my team have led LVMH development in Asia for over 20 years. And I think that experience of contextual intelligence of Asian markets, we can bring that to Wheels Up as well as and when it gets ready to basically engage with the fastest growing market in the world. In next decade, 62% of GDP growth is likely to come from Asia. So every company has to get ready for that. We believe we can build that bridge for Wheels Up.
Kenny, we've watched through the 7.5 years you expand and different relationships, and we've been through things that periods where you think it would be great for private jet travel, and things where you're not so sure, based on prospects for the economy. Trying to figure out how this latest pandemic would factor in. A lot of people would like to fly private, obviously, because they don't want to go on a commercial jet, but it's been a rough economy, but I guess for your clients, these are some of the people that we're talking about, the bifurcated economy. The high end has been able to manage, obviously. This is a difficult thing to talk about because it has been bifurcated. So your business has actually been good during the pandemic?
Yeah, our business has been firm. And Joe, I'm really proud of our pilots and our staff. We stood in, and the team on the front line delivered day in and day out for our members. I would say 2020 was really the beginning of a big democratization. We saw so many new people, so many dynamic new people that had never flown private before actually pick up and either join Wheels Up or come onto the platform and fly. So 2020 was really a solid year for us. A lot of the M&A kicked in, the platform that we bought, the software that's going to enable the digital marketplace is kicking in. Aviana. So a lot of good things. And really, Joe, our good fortune, the first thing we did, and it was on March 30 on your show with Russell Wilson, we kicked off Meals Up. I'll give you another great metric. We're over 50 million meals on Meals Up. So thank you for the air there. Exciting. I would just say on Ravi and his team, to have the DNA and, of course, El Catatin as a partner in the SPAC, I want to talk about the operator's edge, Joe. The SPACs that have an operator like Ravi, and he's an operator's operator, have a 40% better outcome than just SPACs that are financially sponsored. So, we chose well here. Morgan Stanley, Goldman, Jefferies, Credit Suisse, did a great job, great execution. And again, they talked up top about the investors in the pipe, an amazing group of A-plus investors. So couldn't be more happy about where we are and where we're going.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.